Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing best. Today I am here to announce a special batch for CA Final Financial Reporting. I just want to inform you that this batch we are providing two options. One is face-to-face class in Hyderabad with me. Second option is that you can listen the class with live streaming at your home with me only. Correct? What is the special about this batch? This batch will not be of 300 hours. This batch will not be of 150 hours. Means I just want to inform you that previously we have two type of batches. One is what, a regular batch of 300 hours, and one is of Saransh batch of 150 hours. Now 150 hours, okay, it was a type of fast track batch where all the questions were done, but a regular batch of 300 hours, this batch is also a regular batch, but this is one special batch we are providing to those students who feel that they will not be able to give 300 hours in class and they require more time for self study. Means any student who is going to write in November 2022 attempt or May 2023 attempt and they have not yet started any of their coaching and they need to complete 8 subject in 6 months or whatever in 1 year. Correct? Now I hope you are understanding that you will be having less time in that. If you are required to give 300 hours for FR, so that is not actually, I will say, actually affordable. I from a student point of view. Correct? Now because if you give 300 hours, so I always say in the class that classes are important, but with classes self study is more important. Means if you have invested 300 hours in classes, but if you have less time for self study or you are not getting proper time for self studying, so whatever you have done in classes, that will not be useful from examination point of view. Because of that reason, and by going through many of the queries of the student also, now this special batch will be of 200 hours, so that we will save your 100 hours of the class, and that 100 hours can be used for self study or self preparation for financial reporting only. Correct? Now one question is coming in your mind, sir, 200 hours means you will delete many questions or many concepts in this batch. To inform you that this will be the replica of 300 hours regular batch only. Means I will not do any deletion, I will not do any shortcuts, I will not reduce the number of questions also. Means it will be as simple and as similar to regular batch of 300 hours only. Means all the concept, all the question, whatever was done in regular batch, that will be provided in this batch. Means what I will do from a student point of view. There are many questions of similar nature or having only 2 or 3 additional points which require attention, which require clarification. So if you have understood one concept, some question have been done, the similar question can be only discussed. Means I will not do that question by writing in class, I will only discuss and provide a solution for that. For example, for if I will provide a solution, of course you can do that. So we'll save the time in that way, will not delete any concept, will not reduce the number of questions, will discuss each and every question whatever was done in regular batch. Means it will be just a replica of regular batch, but will try to save your 100 hours, and that 100 hours can be used by you for your self preparation. I always say in the class that self preparation, self study is more important than coaching class. If you have taken classes but if you are not able to give proper time for self study, self practice, then entire classes whatever you have done will be wasted. Correct? I hope you have understood the intention of this batch. The intention, the mere motive of this batch is to give you the entire classes, entire concept, whatever we have done in our regular batch will be provided in this special batch which we have announced, which is going to be started from 7th of June. Correct? Yes sir. So what I want to say, some more information about this batch, let me come to that point also. This batch will be applicable for November 2022 and onward attempt. All the amendment, everything will be covered in this batch. If suppose any amendment came after the batch completion, that amendment will be provided to you free of cost. Don't worry about the amendment after completion of batch, but till then whatever amendment has came, that will be incorporated in this batch. Correct? Syllabus covered will be as per ICI new syllabus, as per revised study material, whatever has been provided by ICI. Correct? Yes, sir. Amendment already I have said. Don't worry about the amendment. This will be a 70 days batch. 70 days into 3. It is coming 210 hours. Means we'll try to cover. We'll try to complete this entire batch in 70 days, taking 210 hours. It will be of course 210 plus hours only, but approximately 210 hours. Once again I am saying that it will be similar to, as similar to our regular batch. Correct? Now one question might be coming in your mind, sir, 300 batch, then whether we should offer 300 hours batch. Just try to understand, there are many types of students. Some students who require entire classes to be, entire concept, entire question need to be done in class only. For that already we have our 300 hours recorded batch. You can opt for that. But if you think that you want to give less hours in class and more hour for self study provided, means on the point that your examination is in November 22 or May 2023, so I will suggest you that you can join this batch face to face with me, also live at home with me only. Correct? Yes, sir. Medium of the class, language will be entire completely, it will be in English only. One more facility we are providing, that is 50% backup. In case you are not able to attend face to face class, in case you are not able to come to live classes and you have missed that classes, 50% backup will be provided. This backup, whatever we are providing, can be used after completion of classes only for revision purpose. Understood? The 50% of hours means 150, means out of 250% means become 100 hours. So 100 hours backup will be provided, which can be used for revisionary purpose. Correct? Yes, sir. Books, I hope whatever books we provide, that is one of the finest book in India. Correct? No doubt about it. We are getting a huge response of our books. India's Saransh book, multicolor book, huge response we are getting. Will provide you two volumes of multicolored India's Saransh book with fully amended, all coverage will be there, and 4 volumes of question bank covering questions from RTP, MTP, ICS study material, exam question, all will be covered. Means you are not supposed to do any research for that. Correct? Now already we have incorporated all the questions, and also some questions from international book are also covered. If I feel that question are required, that also will discuss. Correct? Yes, sir. Understood? Doubt, don't worry about doubt. Face to face student can clear the doubt in the class, after the class, whatever. For live student, of course we have a dedicated Telegram group for our student. You can use that platform for clearing your doubt. However, for live based student, we'll also create one special WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group you can clear doubt at whatever time you feel, means anytime after the class, anytime after the batch also. Correct? Yes, sir. For the test, normally we conduct 7 to 9 tests in the class, provided you are willing to write down the test. If you are willing to write down the test, we'll conduct tests. If you are not willing to write down the test, it is your choice. We will not make you compulsory to write down test, but we'll provide the test paper to you, so that whenever you feel you can write down a test. One mock test will be also provided, that will be useful before your exam. Correct? This was entire discussion about this special batch. Once again, I just want to inform you that this special batch is of 200 hours, but it is just a replica. It is just a replica of regular batch of 300 hours. It means there will be no difference as per the content is as per the content or concept is concerned. Correct? All the question whatever we do in our regular batch will be done in the same way. However, some question which we think are similar question can be discussed. For that we'll do only a discussion on. We can save your 100 hours, which can be used by you for your self study, which I think that is more required for passing the examination. I hope whatever I have discussed that you have understood. Any queries about this batch, I will one number will be provided to you. You can write down the number 8766246684. So any queries about the batch you can ask in this 8766246684. Correct? Hope to meet you soon on 7th of June. 7th of June, save this date, 7th of June, face to face classes in Hyderabad, live streaming at your home with me only, 7th of June. Correct? Bye bye, take care, enjoy your day. Bye bye.